Everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Sambhu from Cloud Tech. Today I am going to demonstrate if you would like to set up Java like JDK 11 on your Windows system, then how we can do that. That part today I am going to demonstrate. Okay, guys, and in this couple of session, what I am going to do, if you have a blank system, then how we can make that to a developer standard system, like how we can install Maven, how we can install Git, Jenkins, or maybe how we can install Eclipse, or how we can set up that like a Git bash, those kind of thing. Today, like in couple of session, I will demonstrate. Okay, guys. Today, let's focus on how we can set up Java like JDK 11 on this Windows system. Okay, so in this is my one Windows system. Let me show you that. So this system don't have like any. Let me show you that. So CMD, like if I type Java here, right? Java is not recognizing, right? So in this system there is no Java, right? So let's install the Java here. Okay, then how we can do that? Let me show you that first one by one. So before that, let me download first JDK here. JDK we can download from JDK 11. Now I'm going to do here. Okay, so JDK 11 we can download from this Oracle website basically, and if you come here this download page, here multiple JDK 11 21 version is available, and JDK, and if you go bottom completely, then you can see here JDK 11 is there, right? Then 11 01 02, then 03, whichever you need, right, in your machine, you can take it, but all are JDK 11. On top of that, some minor release is there. Okay, guys, anything you can take. And since we are going to install Windows, so let's take the Windows version here. So let's select that Windows. Here Windows we have two options, so either zip or you can use the exe version. So let us take the exe one, and once you click here, it will redirect you to sign up page for that Oracle. Okay, guys, so let's do that first, then only you can able to download this what I can say, this JDK. Okay, so let's sign up this, then it will automatically start the downloading. See, it has started the downloading. It will take like 1 minute, so maybe I can pause this video here. Maybe once the download is complete, then I will back. Okay, guys. So download is almost completed, so just wait for a few seconds. So yeah, it is completed now, download. So what we need to do, we need to install this. So let us install. Select the yes. The next here, and it will take couple of minutes to complete this installation. Okay, guys, just we will wait for some time. Now this installation is completed. So now once installation is completed, we do you think that Java is available now to use? Actually not. Let me show you that. So let's go here again and just type here cmd and just type Java. Java still not recognized. Why not recognized? Because we need to set up this thing, like we need to set that in the advanced environment variable. Okay, guys, so for that what we need to do basically, so let's go to the system variable. So system variable here, and here we will follow the list of steps here. Like I will give you the brief, like what all steps we are going to follow here basically. So we are going to follow, first we will set up that JDK like Java home, then we will follow then we will set up that bin in the path variable. We will set up that, then we'll apply one by one. Then once it is done, then we are good to see the Java in this or maybe we can use the Java or Java compiler, whatever we want to use, we can use it. So let's do one by one. So first what we need to do, let's go to the path variable here, and here we are going to add the Java up to bin. Okay, guys, so let's go here and come here, and if you go to the program file and go to the Java, and now Java is there, right? So let's take up to bin here, copy this, then paste it here. Okay, so just paste here and then click on OK. So path variable setup is done. Now we are going to create one more system variable which is like a Java home. Okay, guys, so let's do that. Java underscore home, and in that we are not going to give till bin, just java home, whatever directory we have, right, till that we will give it. Okay guys, so let's give it here and then click on ok, and click on ok, and now let's try here cmd java. Now java is recognized, right? Or maybe we can try like this. Let's come here. Now cmd java person. Now Java is recognized, or if you type the Java command, now Java is recognized. Previously it was saying like Java is not recognized. This is how we can set up Java and we can use it. Then we can use Java, C, whatever we want, we can use it. Okay guys, so this is how we can set up Java in Windows, and we can use it in going forward. Okay, next I will show you like if you want to set up the mapping in the Windows, then how we can do that. Okay guys, chalo, see you in my next video. Bye.